Hello! I am Sapphire, and I have come with a cool video on how to fix the bugs in Loadout. There are two main bugs. The first bug is the reset of Loadout number 1 for players. The second bug is that new accounts cannot pick up their own loadout from airdrop loadouts, and they only get the default loadout for the game. The solution to the first bug is to reset the loadout. After finishing each match, when you return to the lobby, you should wait for the lobby to fully load and then access the loadout section. If you enter quickly to change your loadout, your number 1 loadouts will be reset. The bug of not being able to choose loadout from airdrop is for new accounts that were created in mobileWarzone, created in Season 1. Because they do not have a level in mobileWarzone and the loadout section has not been opened for them, there is no solution on mobile until it is fixed with an update. But if you connect your account to mobileWarzone and increase your rank by 10 levels, this bug will be fixed for you.
Don't know.